How to draw the Phoenix Suns logo. We are going to start off by drawing a circle in the middle of our page. This will be for the basketball in the middle of the logo. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the lines for detail on the basketball. First, we are going to draw a slightly curved line near the right side of the circle that we just drew. Nice job! The next line that we are going to draw on our basketball is going to start near the bottom left side of the circle and curve upwards. Then once we get towards the middle of the basketball, it's going to start curving downwards to the right just a little bit once we get towards that curved line that we drew first. Looks great to learn how to draw Hub Crew. The next line that we are going to draw is going to be a slightly curved line going through the middle of our basketball from left to right. Then the last line we are going to draw on our basketball is going to start near the top left and go downwards and then curve back upwards towards the right. Awesome job, learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our basketball looks great. Next we are going to draw different sized triangles going around our basketball right here. We are going to start near the top left of the basketball and draw two sides of a small triangle. Then going upwards from that one, we are going to draw two more sides of a triangle, but this one is going to be a little bit bigger. Then again, connecting to that, we are going to draw two more sides of a triangle, but this one is going to be much bigger and wider, pointing upwards. Next, we are going to draw several more triangular shapes going around the right and bottom sides of our basketball. I will pause after each step so you can see how big I drew the triangular shape. Looks great so far, learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're halfway done. We are going to make the next triangular shape the biggest one out of all of the ones we've drawn so far. Then we are going to draw a small triangle shape pointed to the left, similar to the one that we drew at the very beginning on the top left side of the basketball. Awesome job, learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now in between those two small triangle shapes, we are going to draw 5 very long skinny triangle shapes pointing downwards and to the left. That will be the final step of drawing our Phoenix Suns logo. Looks great! The next 3 long skinny triangle shapes that we draw are going to get even longer, and then the last one is going to be a little bit shorter. This is how to draw the Phoenix Suns logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next. We love your suggestions. And if you want to see our drawing all colored in, then stick around until the very end. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.